Hey guys, welcome back to our channel हम पहाड़ी परिंदे and I woke up early in the morning today and I'm making tea for me. Actually guys, today is very tough day for me because Raina gives me one challenge which is 24 hours English speaking challenge. Let's see who will the winner. She said I have to speak only English even with the fruit wala, vegetable wala, kabadi wala. All walas I have to speak in English. If I'm not comfortable, I have to answer them only yes or no. And I have to talk with Laddu Radha Murli also in English. And with baby birds also in English. Everything in English. So this is not the matter of right English or wrong English, only English. Okay guys, so be ready with us. And today's vlog, what I have to say, what I have to do. Araina, please walk up. Need one sentence, Dhasu sentence I want. Okay guys, first I have to think about that sentence, what I have to say. After that I will meet you. Bye. So guys, now I drink tea and read books. After that I will meet you guys. Don't worry. I will meet you. I will speak with you. I will talk English. I will walk English. English. Yes, you can tell me rules for today's vlog.
Okay. Let me tell.
Yes.
The first rule is you don't have to speak wrong English. Second rule is you don't have to speak any other language except English. Or third rule is if you speak wrong English or speak Hindi or another language, so you have to slap yourself.
Okay, done.
Only 3 rules.
I always speak in correct English. But
She's lying
you are not understanding my feelings.
because that's called wrong English.
No. Why Laddu ji look like this? Why
Because
he?
you want to sleep more.
No. He don't want. You put them like this. Where is baby Baji?
Right down there.
Why he is very silent?
I don't know.
He is alive or not?
I don't know.
He is taking rest and I disturb him already.
And now you'll make him eat the food, okay? Not
No,
me.
I am getting late.
I'll not make him.
See this cruel lady.
Am I lady?
Girl.
Snap yourself. You said wrong.
Why? No. Everything is right in this world.
Oh, hello.
Competition is only for speaking
No, rule
English.
number 2. Just slap yourself.
No.
Otherwise I'll.
This is not fair. Just please keep quiet. I have to speak something, na?
You cannot say nah.
So guys, you can see Radha, Murli and Mr. Laddu looking so beautiful.
Mister?
Laddu.
Is he married? Is he married?
Baby Laddu. Laddu baby.
Is he born just now?
Ganpati ji. Radhe Radhe. You can say Radhe Radhe. I can't speak in Hindi today, that's why. But you can speak, guys. So speak loudly. Radhe Radhe. Speak loudly. Jai Shri Radhe. Speak loudly. Eat your food. तो गाइस ये इंग्लिश बोलने के चक्कर में ना आज मैंने बात ही नहीं करी है, बहुत कम बोली हूँ. अभी मैं घर जा रही तो चुपचाप से थोड़ा सा बोल लेती हूँ और देखती हूँ राइना क्या करती है. रिस्पॉन्स हिंदी में देती है कि इंग्लिश में देती है. हेलो राइना, ओपन द डोर. Yes. What are you doing?
I am.
Oh my God.
Come.
You remember your challenge, na?
Yes.
Who is inside our house without my permission?
मुझे ऐसे मत लेना. Me and Naraina, we both were studying together actually, and Mamta and Jia took participated in the English competition.
Oh my
so
God.
I have involved myself also.
Okay, great.
So I am without makeup. Please don't mind.
It's okay. I am always without makeup, so don't worry.
Our subscriber will not get afraid. Na, that's why I am already mentioning it.
Yes. देखा guys? Oh, sorry.
Slap.
Slap.
Slap yourself.
Slap yourself. अभी my hands are engaged
थोड़ी हेल्प करना चाहिए. मैं तो मोटी सांडू उतने में
because of slapping myself. Wait.
ये गरम भी होता है पता है. अरे गॉड. एक यूट्यूबर की लाइफ बिल्कुल आसान नहीं है भाई. कितनी खुद
हाय चक्का चक है तू हाय चक्का चक हूँ मैं हाय चक्का चक है तू हाय चक्का
अच्छा सिखा.
तेरी जैसी चाहिए तेरे जैसे को फूलों वाली डाली भी हूँ चुम्मा भी हूँ गाली भी हूँ बोलो कैसी चाहिए तेरे जैसे को
मैं पूछ रही थी कि आपके बाल किसने बनाए. 1 मिनट रुको. So, can you tell me who made your hair?
I am very busy.
Please tell because the video camera is on.
Okay. Actually, I am watching
Let me
Big Boss
face you.
and Bichukle getting mad.
Bichukle is getting mad. Who made your hair?
My sweetheart, my baby.
Who is your
My
sweetheart?
puchu.
Who is she?
My daughter.
Oh, she's talking about me. I learned how to make this from Nilakshi Didi. I tried first, but that was not that good. But this is more.
I have one idea for
Stay.
you. I have one idea for you.
Tell me.
I have one idea for you. Tomorrow onward, you have to make my choti.
Oh,
Because
you have to make my. You are my mother, not me.
But I don't know now how to make.
Oh, you don't know?
But you know how to make. That's
I'll
why-
teach you.
No need to teach, na. You can make my choti.
And
Okay.
what she's watching, let me show you.
Fighting. Chukle fighting with Jabulina. Both are going mad.
Getting mad. तो मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी. अब ठीक है, अब चैलेंज खत्म हो चुका है तो हम हिंदी में बोल सकते हैं. आप भी ठीक है. तो आपको कैसा लगा आज का
अब मैं
चैलेंज?
हिंदी में बोल सकती हूँ नन्नी.
विल यू लेट मी स्पीक नाउ?
What I have to speak.
मैं बोल रही थी कि आपको कैसा लगा पूरा चैलेंज?
नन्नी सजाई हो गई मेरी पे. तो ऐसा लगा किसी ने तिहाड़ में बंद कर दिया. मैं किसी का मर्डर करके आई हूँ.
नहीं, किसका करके आई है? चुपचाप
ऐसा लगा तूने नहीं पनिशमेंट दे दी.
पनिशमेंट? इंग्लिश बोलना पनिशमेंट है?
यस, लिटिल बिट पनिशमेंट. थोड़ी पनिशमेंट. वाइट हो रहा है मेरे लिप्स.
नहीं
बोरोप्लस लगाया.
नहीं हो रहे. वाइट नहीं हो रहे. देखो हो रहे.
So guys, I enjoyed a lot when I speak in English with my sweetheart, and I speak in English with Laddu Radha and birds. And
But she didn't speak English in her office, and that's
because
not fair.
my client is same like me.
Is as same as me.
Is as same as me. They can understand English. They can speak also in English, but थोड़ा
A little bit.
a little bit, है ना. तो I can't speak.
But you
fluently.
can speak in Hindi now because the challenge is over. So why are you speaking in English?
I'm doing practice so that when next time we will play this contest.
We will do this challenge.
Okay. We will do this challenge. I will the winner. I will be
So
the
now I
winner.
am the winner.
Yes. And Nanni, please can you show your phone cover? Guys,
Yes.
I just want to know, मैं इसके लिए 200 रुपए खर्च करके एक कवर लाई और इसने मेरे मुंह पे बेइज्जती करी कि ऐसा कवर लाई। बहुत गलत।
100 रुपए का कवर लाई और 100 रुपए का स्क्रीन गार्ड लगवाया। मैं दिखाती हूँ।
तो ये इतना अच्छा फोन कवर मैंने नन्नी के लिए दिलाया और नन्नी ने इसको रिजेक्ट मार दिया। और मैंने अपने लिए शूज खरीदे।
ये तो
नन्नी मेरे शूज, इसलिए मैंने अभी तक खोले नहीं। मेरे को अच्छी लगी, गर्माहट मिल रही है थोड़ी सी।
और ये जो नेल पेंट पड़ी है इनको इग्नोर करना, क्योंकि अभी मैंने मम्मी की लगाई है। दिखाओ अपनी नेल पेंट, दिखाओ
नेल पेंट तो दिखा दो, नाखून कैसे दिखाऊं?
जल्दी दिखाओ। रुको हिलाओ मत। देखो नन्नी ढंग से दिखा।
जरा सी
आई नॉट टॉक विद यू। और मेरी ये वाली है।
मिलाते हैं, हाथ मिलाते हैं।
What are you doing like this?
भूतों जैसे हाथ लगे नहीं। So guys, I just want to say thanks for watching, and if you like our today's vlog, please do like, share and comment to our YouTube channel. अब हम आपसे मिलेंगे कल के vlog में। कल हम क्या करने वाले हैं ये हमको भी नहीं पता है, तो आपको हम क्या ही बताएं। तो
हिंदी चैलेंज है कल।
अच्छा, वाह बेटा तो फंसी।
अब मेरी वाट लगने वाली है।
तो कल हिंदी चैलेंज है। कल हम शुद्ध हिंदी का प्रयोग करेंगे।
एक्चुअल में ना मेरे को हिंदी तो आती है, बट ये है कि हिंदी के साथ कई बार ऐसे नहीं होता, इंग्लिश के भी वर्ड निकल जाते हैं।
नहीं, बिल्कुल
वही निकलता है।
वाटर नहीं बोलना, जल या पानी।
और रूल यही होंगे कि आप इसके अलावा कोई लैंग्वेज नहीं बोल सकते, और अगर गलत बोली तो स्लैप। वैसे हिंदी तो क्या ही गलत बोलूंगी, बस इंग्लिश का वर्ड बोल सकती हूँ।
मत बोलना। थैंक यू की जगह धन्यवाद बोलना। सॉरी की जगह माफ कर दीजिएगा बोलना। कम हियर की जगह आ जाइए, मतलब हिंदी यूज करनी है कुल मिला के। ठीक है नन्नी?
बाय, गुड नाइट।
गुड नाइट नन्नी।